Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best wooden ball lids is probably one of the most versatile and aesthetically pleasing additions you can make to your kitchen storage, offering a natural touch and a secure seal for your jars and containers. These lids are not just about functionality, they bring a rustic charm and a touch of elegance to any pantry or countertop, transforming ordinary jars into decorative pieces. Whether you're looking to store dry goods, spices, or even use them for DIY craft projects, the right wooden ball lid can elevate the entire experience, combining practicality with a unique visual appeal that mass-produced plastic lids simply cannot match. Number 5. Ball Wooden Wide Mouth Jar Lids, 5-pack. Introducing our premium jar lids, crafted from beautiful, natural acacia wood. Each lid showcases unique color variations, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. These lids feature an airtight silicone seal, ensuring your dry foods stay fresh. They are perfect for all your pantry storage needs. Designed for easy stacking with most ball jars, they help organize your cabinets and countertops. Keep your space tidy and stylish. More than just storage, these lids offer a stylish solution for your dry goods. They also serve as a beautiful decor element in any room. This pack includes 5 lids designed to fit all wide mouth ball jars. Please note they are BPA-free but not safe for preserving and require hand washing. What we like? These wooden lids offer a natural, stylish look for your pantry. Their airtight seal is perfect for keeping dry goods fresh. If you're looking for an eco-friendly and organized way to store your staples, these are a fantastic choice. What people say? The lids fit perfectly on my jars and create a nice seal. These wooden lids have a beautiful natural look that complements my kitchen decor. The quality of the wood is excellent, and they feel very sturdy. Number 4. 2+1 pack laundry pods container set with wooden lids. Introducing our comprehensive laundry organization set, designed to bring order to your laundry room and beyond. This collection includes everything you need to store your laundry essentials efficiently. These spacious containers offer ample room for all your laundry needs, from pods to scent boosters. The wide mouth design ensures effortless refilling and access to your items. Crafted from premium, shatter-resistant acrylic with natural wooden lids, these containers are built for longevity and safety. They are designed for everyday use, providing a reliable storage solution. Specifically designed to keep your dryer sheets and other laundry additives fresh and fragrant. Their airtight nature ensures that scents are preserved, enhancing your laundry experience. Beyond the laundry room, these versatile containers are perfect for organizing various household items. Use them in the kitchen, bathroom, or any space that needs a touch of tidiness. With their transparent bodies and elegant wooden lids, these containers add a modern touch to your home decor. They are as beautiful as they are functional, making them a perfect housewarming gift. What we like? This set provides a complete laundry room organization solution with its clear, shatter-resistant containers and wooden lids. The large capacity and included accessories make it incredibly practical. If you need a durable, easy to clean, and stylish way to manage your laundry supplies, this set is ideal. What people say? The lids fit perfectly on my jars. These wooden lids are a great aesthetic addition to my kitchen storage. The silicone seal on the inside creates a good airtight closure, keeping my food fresh. Number 3. Cuisinart WMR-CA Round Classic Waffle Maker, Renewed. Introducing the Cuisinart WMR-CA Round Classic Waffle Maker. It bakes one large, traditional-style waffle, perfect for any breakfast. Achieve your perfect waffle every time with its 5-setting browning control. You can easily adjust the crispness to your liking. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the non-stick baking plates. Your waffles will release effortlessly, preventing any sticking. This waffle maker features a stylish brushed stainless steel housing. It's designed to look great in any kitchen and built to last. Enjoy peace of mind with a limited 3-year warranty. We stand behind the quality and durability of this appliance. What we like? This classic waffle maker delivers a perfect, traditional-style waffle every time. Its simple operation and reliable performance make it a user-friendly option. If you enjoy a good waffle without fuss and appreciate a compact design, this renewed appliance is a great find. What people say? The lids fit perfectly on my jars, creating an airtight seal that keeps my food fresh. I love the natural wood grain finish on these lids. They add a beautiful, rustic touch to my kitchen storage. These lids are surprisingly sturdy and well made. I expect them to last a long time. Number 2. WMR Metal Jack Set. Relive cherished childhood memories with this classic jacks game. It's perfect for hours of family fun while improving hand-eye coordination and fostering connection. This set includes everything you need for instant jack games. You get metal jacks in 2 colors and vibrant red bouncy balls, all in a stylish wooden box. Keep your games set organized and add a retro touch with this compact keepsake box. Its magnetic closure makes it perfect for storage and travel. Take this game anywhere for solo or multiplayer fun. It's a great way to bond and make any trip more enjoyable. Since 1977, we've been uniting people through beautifully crafted games. Our focus on quality and tradition ensures our products are cherished for years. What we like? This set brings timeless fun with its classic metal jacks and vibrant balls, all housed in a charming wooden box. It's perfect for improving coordination and enjoying family time. If you're seeking a nostalgic, portable game that encourages interaction and can be easily stored, this is the one. What people say. The lids fit perfectly on the jars, creating a snug seal that keeps contents fresh. The wooden material gives a natural and aesthetic look to the jars, enhancing their display. These lids are easy to clean and maintain, making them a practical choice for everyday use. Number 1. Fisher-Price Baby's First Blocks. Introducing Baby's First Blocks, a classic toy designed for little hands. It's perfect for babies and toddlers aged 6 months and up. This set includes 10 colorful blocks that your baby can sort, stack, and drop. It's a fun way to learn about shapes and colors. The shape sorter lid makes playtime engaging. Watch as they learn to fit the blocks through the correct openings. When playtime is over, all the blocks fit neatly inside the bucket. Plus, the easy carry handle makes it perfect for on-the-go fun. This toy helps foster fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. It's a wonderful introduction to basic concepts for your little one. What we like? This toy introduces babies to basic shapes and colors through interactive play. The blocks fit neatly inside the bucket for easy storage and transport. If you have a young child who is developing fine motor skills and learning about shapes, this is a perfect starter toy. What people say. The lids fit perfectly on my jars, creating an airtight seal that keeps my food fresh. The wooden design adds a beautiful, rustic touch to my kitchen storage. These lids are very durable and have held up well with daily use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.